So how can you record a video that you are watching on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. Okay, so let's say you have a video in your gallery, right? And perhaps you want to record the process of like editing the video or something, right? You can use the screen recording feature. It is part of the iPhone, so you need to swipe down to access the control center so you can find it right there. And just if you don't have it, tap on the plus and add a control. So add the screen recording to your control center. But the point is that you can just anytime tap on it, start the recording, and when you are inside of the gallery, as I said, you can play your videos. It will be captured, and also all of the other things will be shown as well, right? Like perhaps the edits that you perform, or as you are browsing your content in the gallery, right? You'll be able to see all of that because everything on the screen gets captured, right? So a lot of people use it to like share their notes or show something on their device, like whatever it might be, right? It kind of works that way. So once you're done, you tap on the button at the top and you can finish the recording, like you stop it, right? And then the video will be saved in your gallery alongside all of the other videos and all of the stuff that you have in there. So you can do whatever you want with it. Now, let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the next videos.